Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you again with lunch. And have you ever felt scared of cooking, or have you ever felt scared of cooking a certain dish possibly? Maybe you're just not really good at fish, or you're just not really good at cooking steak. We time everything for you. We tell you everything you need to know in the app, step by step, how much time to cook the fish, how much time to cook steak on either side. We really want you to get more comfortable in the kitchen so that you can explore and cook the foods that you love. We definitely don't want you to be scared in the kitchen. So check out our app. For today, for instance, we have a sun-dried tomato salmon pasta. And look at that, it's beautiful. The salmon is not quite cooked. I mean, it's cooked enough to where you could eat it like this. Cooking salmon a little bit rare is good because you really get a lot of good flavor out of it. But I'm gonna end up putting this in the microwave probably for about 2 minutes. I don't care if it's like extremely hot. And then I'll top it with some Parmesan cheese. Beautiful dish right here. It's got asparagus in there for some good veggies. The salmon in there. We can portion out the salmon right on top. We were gonna mix it in, but this way I could put 4, 5, or 6 ounces of salmon on top for my portion. My wife could do what she wants for her portion. So beautiful dish right here. It's coming out in the app tomorrow. So guys, check it out. I hope you love it. All right, thanks. Take care.